With all this snow and rain, some spring flowers and grasses are starting to pop up, and that means your allergies might be popping up as well. The bad news, some allergy symptoms are the same as asthma and COVID.
Runny nose to congestion. And so if you are not sure, it is always best to be seen. So there are some symptoms that we would keep an eye out for. Again, a cough, wheezing, chest tightness, runny nose, congestion. Those are some things that can be symptoms of both COVID and asthma or allergies.
So it can be confusing. That's why it's best to see a professional to find out what you have and get the best medications to treat your symptoms.